Hi, my name is Joseph Pro. We're going to sit here and talk about this Lincoln welder right here. I'm going to pretty much talk about it for a second, then I'm going to do a demonstration weld with it. Right here, this machine, it's MIG or GMA. MIG stands for metal inert gas. GMA stands for gas metal arc welding. It's pretty much the same thing, just two different names for it. What we're going to talk about first is the gas tank right here. This is 75% argon and 75% argon and 25% CO2. Right here, as you can see on that's attached to the gas tank. It's a regulator, pressure regulator. This right here, you turn the gas fully on. It shows you how much gas is inside the tank. This one right here shows you how much pressure is going out of the tank inside your machine. For MIG welding, you want to do around 8 to 14 pressure-wise. So, and how to adjust the pressure in that is this little knob right here. But the line connects right there, runs down into your machine. As you can see right here, the line goes to the bottom of the tank, or the bottom of the box, and it runs in here, goes into your hose. But we'll get to that in a second. Right here is your wire wheel. Pretty much however much wire you get. They got smaller ones than this. They got bigger ones. They got different thicknesses and all that. Different type of metal material. It all depends on what you're welding and using it for. This is your electrical wire feed right here. They pretty much spin, rotate, and push the wire through the hose right here. Say if your line snaps or whatever, you pull this forward, pick that up, twist these, and then you're right here at your wire. So you can cut the cable here, pull it through all the way, pull this line forward, pull it right through here, put this back on. Then hit the trigger on the gun and just keep pulling it until it goes all the way through. But you got your electricity, you got your rod, and you got your gas going all through this hose right here. So as you're hitting this button, it's all coming out through here. There's two different hoses. You got one for gas that runs through it, and you got one that runs for the electrode. Which electrode is pretty much the metal material that you're using. You can take this off if you get slag or metal particles or like dirt or whatever right here. If you're, say, welding really close, that's what will happen. It'll pick up anything that gets shot back, or say if it's arcing off twice, it'll stick right here, so make sure you clean that off, and it'll also stick right here, make sure you clean that off. If it accidentally, your electrode welds to this, you can actually kind of tap it or try to break it loose, and if that's all messed up right there, you can take it, snip it off a little bit, and then reuse it and put this back on. As you can see, big sticker right here. This is pretty much a chart. Whatever gas, whatever type of different gauge metal, or what you're trying to weld, it'll pretty much tell you right here what setup you need to do. So we're using 75% argon, 25% CO2 with this gauge metal. pretty much just tack welding stuff together. If you look up front here, you got your different speeds for how much the wire comes out through the gun. So if you want it to go slow, you bring it all the way down to 100. If you want to go fast, you bring it all the way up to 400. That's pretty much how much wire feet per second. That's how much that'll come out. And right down below it is how much voltage. As you can tell, it says A through G, of course, but if you go back on the chart, it'll tell you what each letter stands for. Other than that, you got your on and off switch right here. Another thing I'd recommend getting is a helmet and some gloves, because when you're welding, stuff gets hot and you don't want to hurt your eyeballs, because it's very bright. So this right here, this helmet, it's auto dimmer, which means you can see clearly, just as clear as I'm seeing through these safety glasses, and then it'll dim really dark to the light, so you can see your welding, so it doesn't hurt your eyes in the long run. If you're welding like if you do this, if you want to do this for a living, and you're welding long hours and whatnot, I would recommend getting either getting a jacket with long sleeves, or just they have sleeves with gloves, or you can just get the sleeves and then put the gloves on. You can do it either way. I'm going to get this welder set up, and I'm going to do a practice run to show you. We're back. I got the welder all set up, so we're going to go ahead and do a test strip with this piece of metal I have right here. I have it set up as a key. So let's go ahead and turn the machine on. Alright. What we pretty much did there is connected this piece of metal, that piece of metal, and welded it right there. When I was real close with the gun, I was creating a gas shield, so it causes the arc. We have this piece right here. This is our ground for the machine. So we have it hooked to the table, and as I'm using that gun and sending the electrode right here, it's completing a circuit, because it's setting positive power to that through the electrode and then ground. So that's what's causing the metal to melt and create the weld. But that's pretty much how you do MIG. Hope you learned something.